For my fifth capstone, I decided to focus on Osaka, Japan, in relation to its status as a city severely threatened by rising sea levels. The quickly rising shoreline, along with the constant threat of severe storms, places Osaka as a vulnerable location facing fears of climate change head-on. The city is particularly vulnerable due to its low elevation relative to the bay the city sits on. Additionally, millions of people live in the densely packed city, placing countless citizens at a severe threat. In terms of looking forward, economists claim that flooding in the area could place almost $1 trillion of assets in Osaka at risk. Considering Osaka's massive influence on the Japanese economy with a GDP almost as big as the Netherlands alone, it would be disastrous for rising sea levels to impact the city. A warmer climate creating stronger storms would also be catastrophic for Osaka, testing its seawalls and coastal defenses already under stress from rising sea levels. If sea levels continue to rise, millions of Osakans will be displaced along with countless historical sites and landmarks in the city being destroyed. Overall, local authorities continue to look into strengthening their city's defenses against the rising coastline through new infrastructure and systems, but if climate trends continue at their current rates, Osaka as a whole will find itself underwater.